The mechanical ventilation heat recovery system, or MVHR system for short, has these air valves installed throughout the property, which recovers the heat from places like the kitchen, the utility room, bathrooms, the shower rooms, and supplies fresh air into the property. So as that air is going out the property, it passes over the fresh air coming in and recovers the heat. In the bedrooms on the first floor, we've installed air conditioning systems. In this one, we have these slot diffusers, which provide cooling and heating, as well as the fresh air back into the room. Lovely Toshiba system with the black pair controllers. You can see here, turning on the system, brings on the air conditioning, and you can set the temperatures. I've got the perfect climate in this property now. If you'd like our help with your heating, ventilation or air conditioning needs, please get in touch on 0800 246 1154, where one of the friendly team will be able to help.